Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open WhatsApp and select the chat with the person you want to verify. Tap the contact name at the top to open contact info. Scroll and tap Encryption to open the security screen. The screen shows a 64-digit code and a QR code for verification. You will use either the QR scanner or the 64-digit number to confirm your conversation is end-to-end encrypted. Keep your phone secure while you check to avoid exposing your own device. Open encryption on both phones at the same time to start verification. On one phone, tap View QR and let the other phone scan that QR code. If scanning is not possible, read the 64-digit code aloud and compare every group of digits together. Each phone should show the same digits to confirm a match. When the codes match, tap Confirm to complete verification and trust that messages are end-to-end encrypted. You can view and compare a contact's 64-digit security code from your own device. This verifies end-to-end encryption without exposing any private keys or message contents. You cannot extract raw private encryption keys or decrypt other people's messages from WhatsApp. Never follow or share instructions that claim to reveal someone else's keys or messages. Protect backups and devices with strong passwords and two-step verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.